In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an API key on ElevenLabs. Before we dive in, a quick reminder. If you're not yet signed up for ElevenLabs and want to join, consider using our affiliate link. This helps support our channel at no additional cost to you, and we truly appreciate it. Alright, let's get started. Once you're logged into your ElevenLabs account, the first thing you'll do is navigate to your dashboard. From the dashboard, look over to the bottom left corner where you'll find an option labeled Developers. Give that a click, and you'll be taken to a section tailored for developer tools and resources. Next, switch over to the API Keys tab. This is where all your API keys come into play. If you've created any API keys in the past, you'll see them listed here. These keys are essential for connecting your applications and enabling interaction with the ElevenLabs services. However, if this is your first time setting up an API key, no worries. Let's walk through the process together. You'll want to locate the Create Key button. Clicking on it is your starting point for generating a new key. This button initiates the setup for your API key, which will allow you to customize and control access based on your specific requirements. As you begin creating your API key, you'll first need to give it a name. Choose something descriptive that helps you remember what this key is intended for, especially if you plan to create multiple keys in the future. Naming your keys clearly can save you a lot of time and confusion down the line. Once you've got a name figured out, consider enabling the option to restrict key. This is a helpful feature that allows you to set certain boundaries on how the key can be used. Restrictions can add an extra layer of security, ensuring that the key is used only in ways you've specifically authorized. Further along, there's an option to apply a credit limit to the key. This feature is particularly useful if you want to manage the spending linked to the key. By setting a credit limit, you can control costs and avoid unexpected charges. Next, you'll need to select the specific features that you want this API key to access. Careful selection is crucial because it defines what activities the key can perform. You might want to limit access just to the functionalities your project needs. Once you've set up the permissions and are satisfied with your configurations, click the Create Key button. That's it. Your new API key is generated. You'll see it appear on the screen and can easily copy it to your clipboard from there. And with that, you've successfully created an API key on ElevenLabs. You can now use it to enhance your projects with the rich features that ElevenLabs offers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.